And out of a category of fine contributors, I'm delighted to announce the winner, a former boss of mine, an editor of mine at the Sunday Tribune. Please come to the stage, Vincent Browne.
Well, on behalf of Vincent and myself, I'd like to thank our fantastic technical crew who perform a series of daily miracles to keep us on air sometimes. I'd like to thank the management of TV3 who took a chance on a programme that a lot of people tried to tell them wouldn't work. I'd like to thank the judging panel from the Academy for giving us this award, but most especially I'd like to thank our viewers, and I'd also like to hope that they'll continue to watch us. Thank you very much.